Hello viewers, today in this video I will show you how to change your name on Instagram. Okay, let's get started. First, open your Play Store and check Instagram update. My Instagram app already updated. Now open Instagram app. Now click your profile icon. Click here three dot line. Click now account center. Click your profile. Select your account. Click now name option. Okay, now change your name. Remember, if you want to change your name again, then you have to wait for 14 days. Now click on save. Thank you.